Bitcoin decided to tank. Finally, 94k. We went to 100 flipping k. And if you go on the 4-hour chart, you'll realize that it looks a little bit worse, you know. It actually looks like we're in a correction, a major one. It's only 6k from all-time highs, but it's pulling back a little bit. And if we have a little look at BTC dominance today, if we have a little look at dominance, what is that doing? Finally, we're about to go up. Actually, that's bad because it's coming down for alts. So altcoins are probably going to get smashed very soon, especially if Bitcoin dominance goes back up. When is this going to go down? We might actually have to wait till January, man. We might have to have some patience about us. Thankfully, I'm not all in. Flipping heck, what's Ethereum doing? I swear it hit like 3.5k. Yeah, look at that. It's preparing for takeoff. Preparing for takeoff. We're getting closer to the time. January is coming. Look at that. Bitcoin always goes up in the second bull and we go crazy. Especially because of institutions buying crazy amounts of Bitcoin. Bitcoin uptrend is in tracked. Two scenarios. Bitcoin breaks down. Altcoins go up. I can't be missing that. That's why I'm positioned. I'm not positioned heavily, but I'm positioned. Bitcoin bounce after the trend line retest. Altcoin goes up. Come on, that's what I want to hear. This is actually interesting. When QQQ launched in 1999 at around 48 to 49, it rallied to 120 only 54 weeks later. It did take a month for it to break through 100, even fell back to 80 to 85 a couple of times. BTC ETF launched when Bitcoin was around 48k. 54 weeks later is January 20th, Inauguration Day. What are the chances BTC rallies until mid-January along with BTC dominance and BTC USD gets a correction like it usually does in January of post-halving years and the alt season begins then in January? It makes the most sense. So we might be going higher in Bitcoin dominance before we actually get anything. And Gary Gensler is also resigning on January the 20th. Not the only outcome, but a possibility to consider. That's the game plan I'm playing to. I'm not gonna lie. That's the outcome you got to be playing to. We've got a month or two to get our alts, the right alts, to make some dough. To be honest, even the crap alts are pumping right now. That doesn't mean buy anything. Don't be an idiot. You may make a couple thousand to miss out on being a millionaire, and you don't want that. The most hated rally could commence soon. It's bottoming out, you know. Ethereum versus BTC. Well, crypto hasn't pumped in 72 hours. This is stupid and I hate all of you. Facts, bro. That's what people's dopamine levels have been cooked. Their brains are fried because of crypto. They want quick money. The more delusional the holders, the more bullish the asset. I think Omikami holders must be delusional. Ha. Bitcoin's red, alts holding strong, ETH, BTC up nearly 8%. I'm painfully bullish. This is crazy, by the way. You know, Dodge is harder money than BTC and it's outperformed by 550% since launch. And it looks like it might even continue to outperform over time. What a time to be alive. That's crazy. Bitcoin is dumping and Ethereum is pumping. Alt season just started. Not yet. Not yet, don't get ahead of yourself. I'm sorry if this tweet hurts your feeling, but someone needs to tell you the truth and I will. XRP, ADA and Dodge ain't making you generational wealth. You might make 80%, maybe even 180%, but let's be real, that's not why you're here. You're here to change your life, to break the cycle, to build a wealth that lasts generations, and you won't get that chasing coins with billions in market cap. You won't get that buying what everyone else already knows about. The truth, you need to be early. You need to find projects before the hype, before the influences, before retail FOMO. This bull run won't last forever. You got one shot to do this right. Stop chasing comfort and start chasing conviction. The difference between rich and wealthy is made here. Don't waste it. You know what I'm convinced in? There's only one token I'm convinced in. And that, my friend, is the Omikami token. Because that is your only play left. Everything else is pumped. This is your last shot. Are you going to take it? Genuinely, this is your last shot. It's giving you another entry. It's actually giving you another entry. Which is crazy talk because you guys don't actually deserve another entry, but still. It looks like it's topping out on the daily. We may even see lower prices. If we see lower prices, Guess who's going back in? Guess who's going back in? Yeah, believe that. I'm going back in. Cass coiling up hard. Currently retesting the 200 MA breakout soon, very soon. I've accumulated some Casper, but I don't think I'm going to get any more. Like that guy said, billions in market cap. I think Casper could 100x though, and it is a proper project, so I might put in a little bit more. But billions in market cap. Ethereum pumping, bullish for Ethereum memes. Ethereum pumping, bullish for base memes. It's not well, it's bullish for base, but it's more bullish for Ethereum. I think Ethereum will outperform BTC in the coming weeks. First target 6k. Yo, that's a hell of a target. ETH, BTC bottom is in. ETH to 8k in the following months. Alt season will come now. This is your sign to be positioned now. I wish I bought on the bottom, man. Buy the most hated coins if you want to make serious money. Avoid following the crowd. BTC New Moon exactly bottoms 3 times in a row. 1st to 2nd of December New Moon. It might not go that low though. We might only get 90. There's a CME gap at 54. Nobody thinks we're going there. The next meme coin rally will be mind-blowing. Literally mind-blowing. Exploding, bro. Focus on communities that have organic traction, marketing strategies, strong tokenomics, and are culturally explosive. The internet never sleeps and nor do memes. Just wait till Wall Street pushes the Ethereum ETF. It's going to fly. Up only BTC. 20 billion, 20 billion, 20 billion. That guy just keeps on buying that Michael Saylor. That could be a top signal. I don't like that, bro. He's buying too much. None of your favourite influencers are shilling you it apart from me. Whales aren't buying yet. Exchanges don't have any. For once in your life, do something great. You can be early. You can be better than the rest. Baddest meme coin on the planet. Omikami. This guy's rugging people, man. He rugged his own coin for 12k. Bruh, that's mental. Crypto's a mess. Crypto is a mess for any normie coming in. You're probably going to get screwed. BTC trade is running out of steam. Buyers are already looking for the next big trade. Ethereum could easily reach 10k before the year end. Alt season just started. Don't know about that. That's some engagement farming if I've ever seen it. Bitcoin is consolidating around 99k while global liquidity is ready to explode. Explode then. That alt move we just saw wasn't a pump. It was money moving in early, preparing for the pump. The pump is coming. Put on a diaper and don't leave your computer. This guy was right about Bitcoin below 69k. Last week to buy BTC below 69k. Last week to buy Ethereum below 4k. Yo, man knows, bro. Dominance at 59. My guess is that dominance topped out days ago and is heading to 35%. In other words, alt season just started. A lot of people are saying that, you know. A lot of people are saying that. Others broke out of the 3-year trend line. We're looking hella bullish, cuz.